is for angels shining bright. B is for bells jingling all night. C is for candy cane, red and white. D is for drum, tapping light. E is for elf, tiny and sweet. F is for fir tree, snowy and neat. G is for gingerbread, yummy to munch. H is for holly in a festive bunch. I is for icicles, sparkly and clear. J is for jolly Santa, spreading cheer. K is for Kris Kringle, dressed in red. L is for lights overhead. M is for mitten, cozy and warm. N is for nutcracker, standing firm. O is for ornaments, shiny and round. P is for presents, stacked on the ground. Q is for quiet night, peaceful and still. R is for reindeer, prancing up the hill. S is for snowmen, ready to play. T is for tinsel, sparkling all the way. U is for ugly sweater, silly and fun. V is for village, glowing when the day is done. W is for wreath, hung on the door. X is for Christmas tree, filling the air even more. Y is for Yule log, glowing bright. Z is for zooming sled,